Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. I know you're here to make this summer sunset refresher glow juice. Thank you for coming. Let's do this. Now that we've done the cleanse, now that we've done the detox, okay, what next? Gotten rid of all the toxins in your body. Let's now start to make our skins glow, baby. I am not gatekeeping and I'm not wasting your time either. It would help the channel if you watch to the end. If I tell you they're good because I'm trying them, so you don't have to. You can just go out and trust the process and make them. Start with 2 cantaloupes, this 3-pound bag of green pear. They say it's 3 pounds, but it has 8. And then I'm going to be using these 2 containers of strawberries. No, I'm so afraid of strawberries. I feel like worms and pesticides, insecticides can just lodge in these so easily. So we're soaking that in vinegar and baking soda. Why are we doing that? So that we can remove any residue from pesticides or dirt, any kind of debris, any insects that might be on here. And then we'll wash with cold water after. So pears are also clean. You'll need 1 lemon. It just depends on how you want it. 1 lemon to go. And then we have our cantaloupe all cut up. So my husband did volunteer this week to cut all the fruits. And so when I got back, like, everything was cut and ready to go. For strawberries, if you're not going to use them right away, do not wash them until you're about to use them. So I want you to stick around because I'm going to tell you all the benefits that all the fruits that we're going to be juicing have. I'm obsessed with juicing to the point where I feel like I need a bigger juicer, but we're just going to stick around and wait for someone to make a proposal with a bigger one. All right, so we've added our cantaloupe to the juicer here. This one, oh my gosh, the juice, and can I tell you, my juicer did not stuck one time, and it took me about 15 minutes to make this drink right here because I didn't have to cut any of the fruits. My husband did. It took me 15 minutes tops to get this done. Okay, so cantaloupe is rich in vitamins C, A, potassium, and fiber. Cantaloupe contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. It provides hydration. Look how quickly that is filled up. So it has about 90% of water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated. So just the cantaloupe alone gave us a little bit over a liter. Look at that. And that's just the cantaloupe only. All right, next we're going to be adding strawberries. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps to boost our immune system and fight off infections. It's rich in antioxidants, which helps to protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation as well. Strawberries have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. But people, you know, like a one-time drink of this is not going to help. We have to be consistent. So whatever you're doing, consistency is the key. We've been juicing a little over a month now. I can already see a difference in my skin. Prior to juicing, I was, trying to get rid of juice altogether. And so ever since I started drinking these, I want nothing else to drink but these juices, and I'll have water. But in terms of drinking something else at this point, not right now, not really. All right, so now I'm pouring out the strawberry, mixing it. Still a nice sunset color. Perfect. All right, so we're going to move on now to adding the pear. I'm not washing the juicer at all. So we're adding the pear. What are the benefits of pear? Pear is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and bowel function, which is what you want. For the most part, all the things that we're juicing is helping with bowel movements, which is really, really what you want. Input, output. We talked about that. Pear also helps protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, supports healthy blood sugar levels. Pear have shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and support healthy insulin function. And I'm learning right along with you guys because most of these things I did not know, to be honest with you. All right, so we added ginger. Ginger, of course, has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and inflammation caused pretty much most of the time by the things that we're eating. It also helps with our digestive health. Ginger is shown to help alleviate nausea and support digestive health. It supports our immune system. And at some point, we are going to add the one lemon, which is also a good source of vitamin C, immune system booster, and infection fighter. Lemon has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to reduce acidity and support healthy pH levels. Lemons have shown to help stimulate digestion and support healthy gut function. And this blend offers a delicious, nutritious combinations of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support overall health and well-being. Most importantly, it knocks that digestive system, which is what we want ultimately. I know some of you might have made the resolution to say you're going to start eating better, you're going to start taking better care of yourself, but I've not quite made the move to do so as yet. It doesn't have to be a big jump. Like we said before, you are starting with small steps. Small steps could be giving up soda, giving up a drink that's probably just too sweet, because it's definitely not, it's not going to help you. And I know these are things that we've been drinking for years and years and years. And yeah, the food that we're eating today is causing a lot of damage to our bodies. And I think about people who just across the world who are dying from cancer. What do we have in common? The food. The food that we're eating, they have to meet the demand for the people. And so things are being placed in the food to preserve it that is not good for our inside. And so if you start to take your health into your own hands, trust me, the people that you love will thank you. Eventually, you'll thank yourself, because ultimately nobody wants to die. Dying is not the first thing on our to-do list. So you're helping yourself, and you are also helping the people that love you. All right, let's get into bottling. If you made it this far into the video, subscribe to the channel. Do leave us a comment down below. Is this something you would try? I promise you, you will love it. You will love it. Plus, we had a field day at work, and so I brought one of this, and it was so good. We were outside all day. I wish I had brought 2 bottles with me, actually.
Miss, post this on TikTok.
No, I don't.
Is that you?
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.